Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa in case you are new, and today I will be eating Jollibee. Look at that, spaghetti and chicken. So I have one spicy chicken and one regular chicken. I hope you guys can see my food. I'm filming at the dining table today. Oh, and then I also have peach mango pie. Will it focus? Well, peach mango pie. Oh, and I have gravy for my chicken. Ariel's here, he's next to me. He's eating chicken and rice. Look at that spaghetti. I haven't had Jollibee in a while. Do you guys like Jollibee? What do you guys like to order at Jollibee? Let me know. Look at that. So yummy. Is spicy on their menu or you just have to ask for it? Like, I didn't even know they had spicy until Ariel told me.
It's on their menu now.
Oh, it is on their menu now?
Mm-hmm.
So I think they just, I don't know, is it just like an extra seasoning they put on top?
Yeah.
Okay, let's eat, you guys. Comment down below what you guys are eating. Mmm. So good. So if you've never had Jollibee, it's Filipino. It's a Filipino fast food restaurant from the Philippines. And Filipino spaghetti, if you've never had it, it's sweet. There's cheese and hot dogs and ham. So let's try this chicken. And they give you gravy for your chicken. I can't even open the gravy. What the? Okay. So just, you know, brown gravy. This looks so crispy. It's not too spicy, but it's definitely spicy. Let's try it with gravy. It's very good. Ooh, the chicken's hot. Like hot in temperature, not like hot spicy. It's burning my mouth. Peach mango pie is my favorite pie. What other pies do they have, Baba?
I forgot.
They have banana langka, I think, right?
Mm-hmm.
And sometimes they come out with like limited time, like limited edition pies. I saw like a tuna pie. I don't know about that tuna pie. And I haven't tried it. Have you ever tried it?
Mm-mm.
Let me know if you guys have tried it and if it's good. What is it?
Orange soda.
We have orange soda to drink. The Jollibee gravy is so good when you put it on your rice. Huh.
Mm-hmm. So crispy.
I know, so crunchy. Can you hear that crunch? Want more chicken?
No, thank you.
You can have the spicy one. My leftover. So I'm gonna eat this one. The spicy chicken gets spicier after a while.
Mm-hmm.
Like the heat builds up. It's a creeper.
Gosh, I'm sweating.
You're sweating?
Yeah.
Why? Because it's spicy?
Yeah, a little bit. And also it's because it's hot in the house.
Oh yeah. Want more?
Sure.
I've heard some of you guys tell me that in the Philippines the gravy is much smaller.
Smaller than that?
Mm-hmm.
Because I remember it was bigger than this.
It was actually bigger than this. They downsized. Maybe the one in the Philippines is this size.
Mm-hmm.
Cause yeah, you're right. I noticed it got smaller. Let me know if you guys are from the Philippines.
Yeah, why are they doing that? Save money?
Yeah, they're trying to save money. Jollibee spaghetti is so good. I don't know how to make it. But I heard that there's evaporated milk. I'm not sure though. I don't know if that's true. If you guys know, let me know. You can have my gravy.
Mm-hmm.
One more chicken.
No, thank you.
Ooh, it's hot. Like the inside.
Woo.
My nose is running. Gravy.
I'm sorry, excuse me.
The gravy is so good. Dunk it in there. Okay, let's try the peach mango pie. I'm pretty full, but...
Are you full?
Yep.
I can eat your spaghetti. Oh my great. Thank you. Oh my God.
Ariel's my garbage disposer.
Yeah.
Garbage disposer? Garbage disposal? I don't know. Whatever.
Same thing.
Okay, so I like Jollibee's pies because they're fried. There you go. Fried pie. Very good. My favorite. Oh my goodness. There you go. See the filling? It's peach mango. It is very good. There's some chunks in there. So good. Even though I'm full, I can still eat this.
Yeah, it's sweet.
Yeah, I love dessert. So good. Jollibee is kind of expensive though, huh?
Mm-hmm.
20 bucks for all of this. Well, that's not too bad. 20 bucks, $10 each person, but without a drink.
Mm-hmm.
But you do get a dessert. Last bite. Okay guys, that's it. That's the end of today's video. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye everyone.